Good afternoon, dear students. This is Kiran sir, Vassalabai Barmari School of Scholars. Okay. Now today we are going to deal about a new lesson, lesson number 13, talking about the futures. Students, you have an idea about the future tenses, but in this lesson we are discussing about the varieties of types of the future tenses we represent to the others or in front of any person. Okay, there are several ways we have to dealing the future tenses. Sometimes we discussing about the present continuous, present continuous tense. Sometimes we write in a simple present tense. Sometimes we discuss about the will, and everyone knows that about the will, and after that we discussing about the going to. These are the four ways we have to discuss about the future tenses. Means when we are discussing about the present continuous tense, with the help of this present continuous tense we have to give the reference to the future tense. In a simple present also we have to, using this simple present we have to represent the future tense, and already you know that this is the will or shall. These words represent the future tenses, and after that going to, this is the phrase. Going to is the phrase, and this phrase also discuss about the future references. Okay, so that's why these are the four ways we have to discussing to the future references. When we are using the present continuous tense, when we are talking about that we have arranged to do in the future tenses. मतलब फ्यूचर टेंसेस में जब हम फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस, तो उसमें फ्यूचर का कुछ रेफरेंस रहता है. सी द एग्जांपल, आई एम गोइंग टू नागपुर. Tomorrow. Okay, this is the sentence of present continuous tense, but here going to is not a phrase. This is the work of the verb. I am going to Nagpur tomorrow. मैं कल नागपुर जाने वाला हूँ. मैं जा रहा हूँ, कल नागपुर जा रहा हूँ. So that's why in a present continuous tense, with the help of this present continuous, we are discussing about the future reference. Got it? Okay. Generally, also we take the one more example. Mr. Mehta is arriving from Nagpur. Arriving, आने वाले हैं, नागपुर से आने वाले हैं. So this is the another example we can give for the present continuous tense for the future references. Okay. Now we are discussing about a simple present. When we are discussing about a simple present, this simple present we are using the official program or timetables. Generally, official programs or timetables. See, the train leaves at AM. The train leaves at 9:45 AM. ट्रेन 9:45 AM को जाने वाली है. 9:45 को जाने वाली है. So this is the future reference with the simple present tense. Okay. So these are the two: present continuous with the future reference, and simple present also we using here for the future references. Now we are discussing about the will and shall. This is the very easy for you because you already discussed about that. She will back after 5 years. 5 साल के बाद वो आने वाली है, she will back, आने वाली है. So that's why will is showing the future references. Okay, there are so many examples using the will or shall. Okay, now we are discussing about the going to. Okay, going to, and here going to is a phrase, and this phrase you have to use in a sentences for the future references. Okay students, now see the example. I am going to pay the money. I am going to pay the money for whatever. Okay, I am going to pay. Going to is the phrase, pay is the word here, and here going to is the word, because see the sentences. I am going to Nagpur, this is the verb. I am going to pay, going to is the phrase, pay is the word. Cautiously see here, because going to, but going to, this going to doing the work of verb, and this going to, this is the phrase, and here verb pay is a verb. Okay, I am going to pay the money for someone. So that's why this type of sentences we have to discuss in this period. I am showing the future references. We take the another example. I am going to back. I am going to back from Nagpur to Pune. I am going to is the phrase. I am going to back. मैं back या return वापस आ रहा हूँ, कहाँ से? From नागपुर से पुणे. Okay, so this is the verb and this is the phrase. Okay students, I hope that you understand the 4 future references: present continue tense, simple present tense, these are the references of the future tense. Will, also this is the references of the future tense. And going to, this is the phrase. This phrase we have to using for showing the future reference. Okay, got it? Yes, I hope that you understand these lessons, and you understand what is the uses of future tenses. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.